Hello everyone. This is my 1972 Bally Space Time, and it's beautiful. This back glass has zero flaws in it. It's like brand new, absolutely perfect. No flakes, no cracks, no nothing. The play field is very, very good. It's been fully serviced. It's been cleaned and waxed. Still has the original cards on there. And then, takes quarters. And the best part is take a look at the time tunnel. Okay, everything has LED lights in it. Everything works. Anyway, I guess the trick is you want to stop the tunnel right when it gets down to 5,000. Here's a shot of the interior. You can see it's in pristine, beautiful condition. All of the labels are all here. All the cards on the side are all there. Even the protective paper is straight from the factory from 50 years ago. Gosh, a score motor, it's like brand new. You see these solder contacts, they're still shiny. They're not even oxidized. It's just everything in here is beautiful and like new. Has a very interesting glass here. So the glass is in a stainless steel frame and it can flip up. So it's very rare that they did that. I think it's a very expensive kind of a thing that they did, and they've stopped doing it since then.